Hello and welcome back to Boy PGA channel. If today is your first time watching any of my videos, I humbly request you click on the subscription button and click on the bell icon to be alerted whenever I upload new videos. Thank you.
Gotta focus on yourself, on your faith, on your dreams, on your mind, on your health, yeah. You gotta work, never tell, keep your head down, find what you love and excel, yeah. Push and pull and repel any hate, go create what you want, feel compelled, yeah. And once you finally get a taste of the race, you'll never look back once you felt that. Don't let somebody take your time and your worth, just focus on yourself.